This is one of the most mysterious structures on Earth, acclaimed as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Without its existence, the other 6 wonders might have been dismissed as mythical legends. This is the Egyptian pyramid, shrouded in Pharaoh's curse. What secrets does it conceal? As the world's largest pyramid, Khufu's monument soars 146 meters high, comprising 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing dozens of tons. Precision-cut stones fit together seamlessly, locked with absolute perfection. How could Bronze Age Egyptians accomplish this colossal feat 4,600 years ago? In 2013, archaeologists discovered a Khufu-era papyrus scroll near the Red Sea. Research revealed that this was the diary left behind by a pyramid builder. Following its clues, investigators conducted geomagnetic surveys in the Pyramid Valley, finding identical magnetic properties in all stones. They also identified millions of cubic meters of limestone in Egyptian clay. When mixed with kaolin clay and water, a chemical reaction occurs, hardening into pyramid-like stone within hours. Through material experiments, Egyptians accidentally created special glass that functions as a converging lens under sunlight, reaching 2,000 degrees Celsius in a short amount of time, hot enough to melt granite beneath it. Additionally, they discovered water could measure weight and track time, leading to the invention of a water clock resembling an hourglass. Years later, Pharaoh Khufu of Egypt's 4th dynasty planned history's largest pyramid. How did Egyptians achieve such monumental construction? In 2580 BCE, Egyptians integrated all their knowledge into this pyramid, choosing Giza Plateau as the construction site. With abundant clay and limestone, they timed construction to the Nile floods to access necessary water for concrete production. After laying alignment ropes, they poured concrete into molds, using precise calculations to cast each pre-designed layer. During the complex shaft construction, measurements were taken every few meters to align with Sirius, the brightest star, directly illuminating the tomb. Thus, this architectural marvel was completed. Why do many believe pyramids weren't human-built? First, Khufu Pyramid's apex lies at 29.979245, 8 degrees north latitude, while light speed is 299,792.458 kilometers per second. Secondly, doubling its base length and dividing by height yields pi 3.1415, predating Archimedes' calculation by 2,000 years. Are these coincidences or intentional messages from ancient builders? Most remarkably, the pyramid aligns with true north within 0.057 degrees, an accuracy achievable today only via satellite technology. How did Bronze Age Egyptians accomplish this 4,500 years ago? These mysteries may soon be solved, but historians ponder why Egyptians dedicated such brilliance to a tomb. Perhaps they envisioned souls traveling like stars, navigating freely through the cosmos.